Okay, boys and girls, today we are working with fraction of a number. Fraction of a number. And what we've been doing recently is multiplying our fractions, and this is no different. This is what we kind of do with word problems. When we see word problems, instead of saying we multiply a fraction, we do say fractions of something. So anytime you see of, we're going to think of multiplying. Okay? So a problem you're going to see on your worksheet, let's go ahead and write the first one, is there were 12 people at the park. 3/4 of them were adults. So how many adults were at the park? Now we see our of here, and that tells us we need to multiply. 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 Oh, I should probably cross it out. We are doing multiplication. Okay? Now first I want to show you what it looks like if we were to actually take 12 people and take 3/4 of them. So I'm going to draw out 12 people, and now I'm going to take 3/4 of them. Now I'm looking at my fraction, and I see the denominator is 4. So I need to divide my 12 people into 4 groups. Not divide it into groups of 4, dividing it into 4 groups. So if I divide 12 into 4 equal groups, that means that 3 people will be in each group. 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, right? That's what my denominator tells me. Now, how many groups do I need? I need 3 of them. Let's use a different color. Use red. No, I'll use blue. We need 3 groups of them. So 1, 2, 3. How many people, or how many adults, or how many people were adults at the park? Well, we count them all up, we get 9. So that's the visual of 12 people and 3/4 of them being adults. If we wanted to do just quickly without drawing out every problem, we can just multiply our two numbers, because we see this magical word of. So we're going to multiply our numbers. We have 12 people at the park. We're going to multiply that by our fraction 3/4. And let's see if we get the same answer. So we can put our 12 over the invisible 1, and then we just multiply straight across with fractions. So 12 times 3 is going to give us 36. 1 times 4, that's going to give us 4. Now, I see an improper fraction. We need to divide this out. So I'm right on the side here. We have 36 divided by 4. If you know our math facts, that's just 9. 36 on the bottom, subtract, no remainder. So our answers are the same. We can draw it out with our wonderful pictures, or when we see the word of, we just know to multiply our whole number and fraction, or sometimes it's even fraction of fraction, but that will be a different day.